Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to permanently remove a YouTube Kids account by deleting a child's profile or from your Windows PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to youtubekids.com. Once the site loads, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code shown on the screen. Just type it in to continue. After that, select the child's profile you wish to remove. Once clicked, you'll need to log in using your Google account password. So go ahead and enter your password, then click Next to proceed. Once you are in the profile settings, from the drop-down, choose Delete this profile. You will then be asked to confirm your choice. Just click Yes, Delete, and that's it. The selected YouTube Kids account profile will be permanently removed. Remember, if you have multiple children, you will need to repeat this process for each child's profile separately. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.